Esorfranki is a civil engineering and construction group specializing in geotechnical services and pipelines. Esor listed on the JSE in 2006, and we actually covered here on CNBC Africa. No, not on CNBC Africa, on another platform where I worked before, and acquired Franki shortly afterwards. It has a market cap of 474 million rand and a price to earnings ratio of 21, but pays no dividends. The company is currently trading under a cautionary. I'm reading a story here bigger than the fundamental numbers that we are seeing here. Is this a speculative stock?
I don't think so. You know, there's a couple of businesses that were kind of merged just shortly after the Esor. They pulled in Franki. So you had, you know, probably South Africa's 2 out of the 3 best piling companies in here. Then they bought Shearwater and Petula a little bit later in the cycle. Right. Perhaps the timing was pretty poor. Well, not perhaps, it was poor. And I think what they have in their favor is they've got probably one of the more colourful CEOs on the JSE. Bernie Krohn is, who doesn't like Bernie? You know, he's a really
we like him here on CNBC Africa. We have interviewed him several times.
A nice, lovable guy, but ultimately, I think, and Jean-Pierre's probably going to preempt me on this one, and on the hotness of this one, this is probably at these levels. Let me just get back to that cautionary, because I think it's important.
Is that why the PE is reading 21?
No, I don't think so, because it's been ongoing, I think, since August last year. I think what they're aiming to do is staff are looking to let go of a portion of their shares, but at 1.50 rand. So the stock trades, I think, at 120 or 119, and then they're going to also raise a little bit of money for the company. So I'm not too sure who you're going to woo at a substantial premium, and that's why the talks are probably ongoing.
So what are you saying, hot or not?
Yeah, unfortunately not with the whole sector, and they're going to hate me because I know some of these people well, and they're good people.
Thank you very much for being here. Jean-Pierre?
Well, I think in this case, what you have is once again a turnaround story. So in the last interim results, they showed a good turnaround from losses to profits. Full year results are due imminently in the next few weeks. So then we should see if the second half was just as good and if the turnaround gained some momentum. So it is for me a speculative buy. If you do want to look in the sector for something that has got turnaround opportunity, prospects of great earnings coming through. But you got the downside covered as well. So they had a rights issue over a year ago with an institutional shareholder that took a big chunk of shares. They might raise a little bit more capital to strengthen the balance sheet now again. So it doesn't look that bad. And can I sit on the fence on this one and say not hot or not?
Yes, you can sit on zero.
Okay, I'll be in the middle.
I need something. So, but what are you saying? What are you saying?
I'm saying relative to the other stocks.
I have to class you.
Relative to the other stocks better. But because I don't like the sector, I'll then say not on.